Hello friends. Did you know that you can talk in your mother tongue and WhatsApp will automatically convert whatever you're saying as the message? It's very easy to set it up. Just click on the message bar, and once the keyboard pop-up comes, click on settings in the keyboard and you'll see languages on the top. Click on languages. Now click on add keyboard here. Say for example I'm going to select Hindi, and then I click on done. I click on add keyboard once again to select another language. I click Tamil and I say done. So I have English language, Hindi and Tamil selected. So I go back to my message, and if you note on the keyboard you will find English mentioned here, or you can even use the globe icon next to the keyboard here to bring the change keyboard option. Alternatively, you can press the space bar continuously and this will pop up. So for example, if I select Hindi, now click on the microphone on the keyboard. Aapka din shubh ho. So I have changed the language to Tamil now, and then I'm going to click the microphone now once again on the keyboard. Indha naal iniya naalagattum. I have selected English as the keyboard once again. I click the microphone. Have a good day. And I can send the message like that. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to give your feedback about this video in the comment section below. Subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to get instant notification of my new videos. Thanks for watching.